Don't let your website go offline renewing your hosting. Your hosting is simple and essential for continuous online presence. First things first, head over to host.com and log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll likely see a prominent notification or a section in your dashboard indicating that your current hosting plan is nearing its renewal date. Click on the option to renew or manage your hosting. You'll then be presented with your available renewal periods. This is where you can choose how long you want to extend your hosting. Longer-term plans, such as 12 or 24 months, often come with significant discounts compared to monthly renewals. Next, select your preferred payment method. Hosting typically accepts major credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes local payment options depending on your region. Ensure your chosen method is up to date. Before finalizing, review your order summary carefully. You'll see the selected plan, the duration of your renewal, and the total cost, which should reflect any applicable discounts for longer commitments. This is also a good time to check for any active promotional codes for extra savings. Once you've confirmed all the details and completed the payment, you'll receive a confirmation that your hosting plan has been successfully renewed. That's it. Your website will remain online and accessible without any interruption. Keep your website alive and thriving by renewing your hosting and ensure your online journey continues without a hitch.